So let's put a comment with double hash and say initial commit. Okay, and hit on commit. Now, the moment I hit on commit, you can see the branch is master right at the bottom left section. I committed the code. Okay, there is nothing in the change section. Let's go back to the Visual Studio and refresh and see if there is any file added up. There is no file here. Why there is no file? Because there is a difference between commit and push. Push will push your code from your local machine to Azure DevOps. Okay, so what I need to do now is go here and say push my code. So let's hit on push. Now it is trying to push to Azure DevOps. So once this horizontal animation gets over, now let's go to Azure DevOps once again and hit on refresh. So now you see, we can see the code that we have not written technically, but whatever is being generated is all here along with pom.xml. Okay, so any question in terms of cloning the empty repository, creating the project using the command of Visual Studio Code, which is Control-P and greater than sign using this command, and then pushing the code that you just now created to Azure DevOps. Any question?